finna give your ass the game, man. You know I break it down. Come on, man, you know it's Bain.
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Big Bain in this thing. Hey, check this out. This is for all those rookie traders, right? You newbies, all right? Once again, I got y'all covered. But listen, I know you guys are at a point where you've been hearing about fundamental analytics and you've been hearing about this economic news. And you hear about GDP and PPI and CPI, but you don't really quite understand what that's all about, or even, let alone how to play it into conjunction with whatever pair that you happen to be trading on, in the Forex market on the charts. Do your favor if you go to my YouTube channel, right, and hit subscribe, number one, and then go and check out the live that I had this morning where we traded PMI news and job opening news for the dollar. I promise you'll get the best insight you could ever possibly ask for when it comes to knowing how to tie fundamental analytics with technical analytics in the Forex market. All right, so check it out, and you can thank me later. All right, it's your boy. Peace.
Wanna get money? Wanna get paid? That's Forex. Like a sensei, then you know you gotta come and swing my way. And if you wanna fast forward here, replay.